Hey lovely, so you know I'm a voiceover type of girl, but I wanted to come through so y'all can see what y'all getting yourself into before y'all continue to watch this video. A lot of people come on, you see the icon, and sometimes you can barely see it. You don't really know what you're getting yourself into. So I wanted to come on and show y'all what the face looked like beforehand, and then if y'all like what y'all see, y'all can continue to watch. Guys, this is not a tutorial whatsoever. I just want to make that so clear because your homegirl don't know what she doing. Okay. And it took me 2 hours to get this, like this look. It took me 2 hours to get this, okay? And it's not even what I wanted.
Pretty so bad, Lanisha so hood. Pretty Lanisha became a slave fighter. Hair, fashion, beauty.
So lovelies, I know a lot of you don't like makeup tutorials or whatever from me because clearly y'all know I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But a few of you guys did say y'all wanted to see how I got my makeup look for my intro, my new intro that I've been playing lately. So I decided to let my husband do my voiceover for this makeup look, just something different. Let's get into this makeup Monday.
Hello lovelies, I got down tone. Alright, see you got color pencil right now, my black color pencil. Put it in my eyebrows. My dark brown color pencil. Get my eyebrows done now with the brush to like even it out. And I color in a little more, you know, put a little shade under it. Cause my eyebrows are jacked up on the regular. You know how I do it. That's how I keep it straight, popping. Gotta be fancy, huh? Gotta put the lighter color in it. You see, I don't know what color this brown is, but it's some kind of light brown. How you see my dark forehead. Anywho, I gotta put the little. I'm gonna use the blender. I think that's called blender, but you know, blend it with that, the little sponge thing. Now I got the whole pack of colors. Now I just color my eyes. My eyes are a little dark, so I gotta put all these different colors to make my eyes look beautiful. Man, I got you. Yeah, you never seen anybody do it like this. I got another different color. I kid you not, doing all of this took me about 20-30 minutes after all the colors. Just decide the colors is 20-30 minutes. And then when I actually started putting it on, that's another 30 minutes. Yeah, I put this little redness on. This is the last color I put on though. The redness. Yeah, keep going for a little while, blend it in. Oh, I think I did put another color on. I didn't quite remember until now. And then I put other color on. Yeah, this is definitely the last one. The last two wasn't the last one, but this one's the last one. I made sure I blended it in perfectly here. Took me a while too, but you know I got it down pat. Bang, done, bang it out, done. Beautiful. You ain't gonna see no eyes good like you ain't gonna see no eyes greater than this. Don't mind the crap that's in my eyelashes. I got that out later. Now you gotta mix these two things together. Bang. But oh well, the last one wasn't the last one, but this time it's the last one. And I just blended in my finger a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Fire. Well, the other last one wasn't last, but this one now, this is definitely the last. This is the last color I put in my eye. This is definitely the last color. After this, no more blending in. I promise you. I might promise you. I'm not too sure, but I kind of promise you. Okay, now I went back to my eyebrows because all that blending had me jacked up my eyebrows, so I had to go fix that again. See, beautiful, bang, beautiful. Make sure I fix that perfectly, yo. It's a little off, but I got it done. It look good. It's a little off on the right one, the left one, but It's good. Don't worry. Now I'm back. Now into the bottom eyelid. Get inside with the pencil again. Color it, yo. Now use this thing from Fit. Shake it up real nice before you use it. Pour on your hand to blend it in properly. Make sure it matches your skin tone. And you get the little brush and push it on. As I mix it, mix it, blend my face in, make sure it's blendable. Yo, I use the other brush, the bigger brush, to blend in around my eyes. Make sure it's good around my lips too. Get rid of the mustache. Go back. Go back under my eyes, back of my head. You can see what I'm doing, but you know, I like to kind of explain a little bit. Had to get around the face a little bit to get rid of the shadow. Make sure I don't have a beard. It's not a beard. I don't have a beard, but you know, I get that little shadow. But anywho, I kept blending it in my face. And then I put this other thing under my eyes, because my eyes not really, how you say, like, wasn't blended in properly under my eyes. I still had little bags and stuff by my nose. You can see the little, yeah, and kept going little by little. Like when I said my face was so heavy after the end of this, like, yo, I feel like I could just take off the mask I put on. But anywho, we're gonna continue this. Go back to the contour with the to pop out my cheeks. I think, I don't know what I'm doing, but my cheeks, I think it came out properly. Yeah, it did, kind of, it did. And I brush it in slowly. Like I said before, I don't know what I'm doing, and the whole process that you're watching right now is not in fast forward. I'm just going really fast, like super fast. Anywho, then I had to get on top, you know, blend in the top of the hair, you know. Bada bing, bada boom, yo. At the end of this, y'all gonna be like, yo, I want to hire her I want her to be my makeup artist. But I kept going for a while, a little longer. Go back to the nose. Back to the nose again. Yeah, and then back to under my eyes by the cheeks. Yeah, you know, I gotta blend it out perfectly, even though I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, I gotta blend it out perfectly. I put a little there. Then I started using whatever this is and put it on my face some more. Ooh, I like it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Yeah, I like it. Then I got that. Put in my eye. Yeah, I gotta work on my eyelashes now. Yep, bang. My eyelashes. Woo, twisting and turning, curling. That is other eye. The other eye. I blinked right there because I got my eye a little bit, but. And then I use this spray. When I tell you this spray burned the hell out of me, you can feel it. I had to brush it off. It was like alcohol, yo. But God. And then went to my lips, because you know my lips isn't already popping, but I put a little extra on it to make it pop in. Yeah. Put the little lip gloss. Lip gloss is popping. Lip gloss is cool. Then I tried the little eyelashes thing, but that wasn't really working, so I had to take it out because my eyelash is just perfect without it. What do I need that for? See that? You see that? Oof. I feel like kissing myself. I had to put the other lipstick on. Oh my. Beautiful. Yeah. Yo, I'm telling you right now, fire all your makeup orders. Hire me. Yo, watch my videos. Like, comment, subscribe. When you subscribe, put the notification button in so you can get my videos first. Make sure you get them first. You make sure you watch them.
It's some type of thing. Look. Naomi Campbell, here you go.